Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this water dispenser. So by Hodekt. Don't know what brand is this, but this is new. So yeah, weird English, but whatever. 3 seconds is hot. What is that? Don't know. Touchscreen temperature display. 3 liter large capacity. So it looks about like this. To unbox it and let you know. And then these are the model number ALWHT18. Wattage is 1500. It's about 1.5 kg. Nothing else from this side. Nothing else from this side. Without further ado, let's unbox it. So I think I bought the blue color one, and then there's also a white color one, but that one went out of stock. And then Hodekt actually sent me some gift on laundry capsules, which were colorful, but I've already set that aside. So this is the inside, thick foam. And then this is the water dispenser itself, and nothing inside. So let me just take it out. I think it is upside down, is it? Oh no. Alright. So this is how it looks. It's actually a rubber pad, so I think it's for you to put it here. And then there's a menu here. No repeating heating for hot water. Yeah, so it only heats water if you want to dispense water, and this is the menu. Anything about warranty? No. Oh, unfortunately I don't see it. And then the body is blue color. I don't know, you can see in the under the camera. And then it looks a bit fatter. So, and then what's good is that it comes with the Malaysian plug. So I don't have to use the adapter. And then you can set the temperature you like or the volume you like. So there's 3 volumes for you to choose: 200, 350 and 500 ml. And this is the dispense or clean button. This will show you the temperature. If it's out of water, it will display out. And then block indicator. And on the side here, you see this is where you store water. 3 liter here, very easy. Comes with the handle, so you can just take it out and then fill with water with it. No, I don't know. Yeah. Feels cheap though, honestly, but yeah, that's how it works. And then there's nothing to. I wish it opened like this, but then it just falls off like that. So yeah, it says the container is antibacterial though, but we'll see. Then yeah, there's a hole here. Yeah, so this thing is 3 liter. Plugs into here. Then yeah, let's try and plug it in. And, let's see how it goes. So let me power it up. Oh wow, there's a light under the cup, which is a nice touch. You can see your water level. Oh, so how do I start this? It's locked now, I think. No, this is now locked. And then you can select your volume. So let's go with the medium one. And then how do I select the temperature? No temperature, but whatever. I think it needs to clean itself first before you can start using it, I think. Ah, I see. Okay. So let's try. Yeah, you can select the temperature. So you have 25, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90 and 99. So let's try 80, and then you can set this as your favorite mode. Wait, what? It is a bit loud though. But I guess it's that this is our first temperature now, so yeah. Interesting. And then yeah, maybe I can just try it again. So I think I'm not sure how the favorite button works, but we will investigate it next time. Yeah, let's try 80, maybe it's less loud. It all sound very different. Let's try 25 maybe. Yeah, it was very silent because it's not using the heater. And then you can lock it back and then the lights goes out. And given that the container is 3 liter, it says, but you actually can't tell where is the 3 liter marker. There's no mark at all. Wait, there is a mark here, but it's very faint. Like around here, but it is very, very faint. And then if you can test the water, yeah, it's very hot. Interesting. I think the water doesn't have any taste even though you first use it, which is a good sign. So yeah, that's about it guys. Overall, it looks cheap material, but it works. So let's see how long it's gonna last. And I really like the nice touch that it has a light there, but it's only yellow, but it's fine. So that's about it guys. Yeah, this button, if you press it, it's a touch sensor and it won't get dirty because it's already on a black surface. So yeah, that's about it guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find it useful, and I'll catch you guys next time. Oh yeah, by the way, this is only less than 140 ringgit in Malaysia. So yeah, thank you.